You don't need the most expensive detailing tools to get the best results. Hey guys, it's Lucas here. Welcome back to another video here on the Eurow YouTube channel, where we teach you how to make your life easier, cleaner, and more efficient with our premium products. If you are a detailer on a budget, whether you're just getting started or want to increase profit margins, today I'm going to be showing you how to build a smart, affordable product setup that will not sacrifice results. You don't need the most expensive detailing tools, just the right, reliable products that will perform consistently and last. So let's walk through this cost-effective lineup that covers washing, drying, interior, paint correction, and protection. First, let's start with washing because that's where every detail begins. We're going to be using the Detailer's Preference Chenille wash mitt. The mitt is soft, holds ton of soap and water, and the Chenille microfiber fingers do a great job of trapping dirt away from the surface to reduce swirl marks. When working on a budget, preventing damage is key. The less time that you spend on paint correction later, the more time and profit you'll save. A durable wash mitt like this gives you professional level safety without the premium prices. After washing comes drying, and this is where detailers either save time or waste it. That's where a large waffle weave towel really pays off. The Eurow 390 GSM huge microfiber waffle weave drying towel is an absolute game changer when it comes to budget detailing setups. At 6.5 square feet, this thing is huge, and the waffle weave design increases surface area to absorb water quickly and efficiently. At 390 GSM, it's thick enough to handle serious water absorption, but still lightweight enough to glide across paint without dragging. Instead of using 3 or 4 smaller towels, one of these can dry up an entire car. This saves time, laundry cycles, and long-term replacement costs, which is important for running a business. Now let's talk about your workhorse towels. The Detailer's Preference 16 by 16 inch 350 GSM microfiber yellow towels 36 pack, which is perfect for high volume detailing tasks. These are ideal for interiors, door jambs, wheel, engine bays, and dirty jobs where you don't want to use your premium towels. When you buy them in a 36 pack, your cost per towel drops significantly, which keeps your supply costs per vehicle low. They're versatile, durable, and exactly what you need to do the heavy lifting. For more versatile exterior work, the Detailer's Preference 380 GSM all-purpose dual pile terra weave microfiber towels, which come in a 12 pack, hits the sweet spot. The dual pile design gives you one side for heavier cleaning and another side for buffing. The larger 16 inch by 24 inch size makes them great for rinseless washes, spray wax applications, or quick interior wipe downs. These bridge the gap between your bulk utility towels and your premium finishing towels. And they come in 2 trim colors and 5 color variations that help you color code your detailing towels easily depending on the task or areas of application. For applying waxes or sealants, the Detailer's Preference Terry wax applicator pads with Sewn-In pocket that come in a 25 pack gives you serious value. The Sewn-In pocket improves control during application, and the microfiber terry weave spreads product evenly across the surface. Since you get 25 in a pack, you can rotate them frequently without worrying about wear and tear. For mobile detailers or high volume shops, these are a smart investment. When it comes to paint corrections and you want something safer and softer, the Detailer's Preference 16 by 16 inch 500 GSM Ultra-Plush Edgeless microfiber towels are your dedicated paint towels. They come in a 6-pack and 2 color variations. At 500 GSM with an edgeless design, they reduce the risk of scratching and feel incredibly plush. You don't need dozens of these, just a small dedicated set strictly for paint. That's how you stay budget conscious while delivering high-end results. When it comes to detailing on a budget, it's not about buying cheap products, it's about buying smart. One quality wash mitt, one large waffle weave drying towel, bulk general purpose towels, a mid-weight set, premium finishing towels, and reliable applicators. This is a complete professional system without overspending. And that's the end of this video. If you are interested in our premium microfiber detailing products, then be sure to check out the description below. It's gonna have our links to our Amazon store and website. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, turning on the notification bell, and be sure to leave a comment on what kind of videos you want to see next. Don't forget to follow us on our social media, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy detailing.